Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are making 1-pan Parmesan potatoes and chicken. First, you're going to want to grab some potatoes, give them a quick wash. Once you have them washed, you're going to want to dice them up into decent sizes just so that they can cook evenly. Once you have your potatoes done, you're going to want to grab another bowl and grab your chicken. And we're going to just dice up these chicken breast strips into little bite sizes. You can cut your chicken however you want, or you can leave it in the strip form. Once you're done cutting up your chicken, you're going to want to season it. I did salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and paprika. Give it a little stir here and there just to make sure that everything gets coated evenly. Then you're going to want to get a little bit of oil just so everything sticks together. Then you're going to grab your potatoes, put some oil in your potatoes, give them a good stir. I also added salt and pepper to my potatoes. You're going to want to make sure you stir your potatoes as well, just so everything gets coated evenly. Then you're going to grab your Parmesan cheese and put a handful in there and give it a good stir. I also added minced garlic, about half a tablespoon. Once you have everything seasoned the way that you like it, you're going to grab your pan and put one side chicken and one side potatoes. This is where I realized I had cut too many potatoes, but there is no turning back. You're going to then put it into your preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you're going to want to take it out and stir your potatoes up just to make sure that they are cooking evenly. Then that's going to go back in the oven for about another 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes is done, take it back out the oven, kind of mix everything up. I mixed my chicken and potatoes up together. You're then going to want to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Once you're done with that, we're going to put it back in the oven, but this time we're going to put it on broil for 5 minutes. Once that is done, your 1-sheet pan Parmesan chicken and potatoes is all done. This is Levi's, and here is mine. It was so delicious. Let me know if you try it. Have a great evening.